Hi, today we're gonna talk about Malaz. Mental issues are as serious as physical diseases. Sometimes one could lead to the other. This matter is no joke, as a big deal of people suffer from it. Take in Egypt, for example. Around 25% of Egyptians suffer from mental illness, with 44% having symptoms of mental instability. But unfortunately, our society doesn't think so. Instead, they mostly treat it with shame, seeing it as a taboo, and accuse the person who openly complains about it with lack of faith or being dramatic. This caused a lot of people to suffer silently, with their backs bent with the weight of their sadness and the inability to live normally compared to their peers, not figuring out whether something is really wrong with them or are they just overthinking it as society suggests. Now, normally anyone would ask, why don't you go and get checked? Well, due to the previously stated facts, and that most mentally unstable people carry the shame of being their authentic selves on their shoulders. That makes opening up about their issues a challenging step. And if we ignore the constant dilemma of shame, going to a therapist requires searching for one, asking around. All of this could be too much of a hustle for a person taking his first baby steps toward his well being journey. Here comes Malaz's turn, earning its name as a safe, judgment free space. A Flutter application that guarantees you privacy, providing different reliable AI based tests to diagnose you. Now, you may ask, how does Malaz stand out from the competition? Malaz isn't built only to diagnose, but also to treat. Taking your hands through this journey, this is achieved by a journal, where you won't only curse the universe for every inconvenience. Well, you can still do that, but we also offer you a fully personalized experience by providing an AI generator to analyze your words, detecting your mental state, and giving you tips to add to your daily routine. As a consistent routine is your path towards healing. Flutter, as we stated before, is used to build and continuously update Malaz to ensure smooth functionality, as we use Flask for authentication and data management, MongoDB for storing user data, and Railway, which hosts the backend server. And not to forget the human resources represented by developers, data scientists, mental health experts, and customer support agencies. With the help of your feedback and integration, we keep on adding enhancements. Our main channels to reach you are the well-known mobile app stores and social media ads. Now, moving to cost structures, which are divided into development costs, which are basically initial development and ongoing maintenance of either the Flutter app or the backend infrastructure, hosting fees for secure data storage, marketing campaigns, and not to forget the fees of bringing and training a customer support team. Malaz has two plans: free tier, where you can enjoy basic diagnostic tools for free, encouraging new users to sign up. Premium subscription, unlocking advanced features such as guidelines, in-depth AI-powered analysis, more frequent test updates, mood tracking features, and more extensive journaling features. Let's talk about finance, which is divided into development cost, AI cost, data storage and security, server and hosting cost, marketing and acquisition, and customer support, resulting in a total unit cost $1.20. The premium subscription stated before costs around $4. Finally, the profit margin per unit is around 70%. Here's how we plan to spend the $1 million investment. Around 40% will be spent on tech development, 30% will be spent on marketing and user acquisition, 15% on content creation and community building, 10% on operational costs, finally 5% on legal compliance. Thank you for listening.